Hey guys, this is Ray from Price Action Limited, and today I will show you how you can gain 1000% by investing in something really interesting. So let's just get into it right out. So we are talking about a crypto-based game called NinjaFloki. Now you might ask, hey, what is NinjaFloki? Now it is a game which operates on the Binance Smart Chain and has a maximum supply of 100 billion NinjaFloki tokens. Now we have analyzed this game and we have find out some of the reasons why we are expecting it to boom. Now one of the reasons is it's a crypto based play to earn game. So people will be very much interested in this one as they can generate income out of it. Now the second reason is it is backed by Binance Smart Chain. Now this provides low gas fee, so there will be ease in transactions and people will invest on this easily. Now this game will have its own mobile version which will be launched in both Play Store and Apple Store soon. As people have access to mobile device easily, so this might get popularity in future. Now this game contains its own assets. Users can play specific characters and upgrade them. Now they can sell this normally in the game store or they can sell this on the NFT ecosystem. Now on 26 January, it was number one top gainer in crypto. But later, from our technical perspective, it was crashed, which was purposely done as people will liquidate their position and the company itself can buy those stocks at a low price. Now after the crash, we have seen very much potential in it and shared signal on our PAICC. It is now floating 446%. But we are still expecting it to boom at least 1000 to 10,000% as it is still lower than cents per stock. Now we have seen people hyped about it and also seen famous crypto investors tweeting about its potential in future. Now finally, the game is still in its beta version. So we are expecting a boom after the final launch and price can hit $1 easily. Now the bottom line is, as NinjaFloki is a relatively new cryptocurrency, its price is expected to remain high volatile. Now crypto enthusiasts should do their research before investing in a new coin or any cryptocurrency. Also, anyone can create a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, and as NinjaFloki is new, it is advisable to be cautious before investing. But we have shared a signal by analyzing these facts on our PICC, which have already gained 446%, and we are still expecting it to grow more and more. So this was our in-depth analysis of NinjaFloki, and we share more like this on our free channel. So if you guys are really interested on this kind of thing, you can join our free channel and enjoy the new meta with us.